Aurora, say, this is for Heifer of the Month for April. We have Candace Gerber. Candace Clark. Ashley Zickert. If I pronounced your name wrong, I'm really, really sorry. Aubrey Dinsfriend. Hit. Aurora. Don't look at the camera. Pick one. Yeah. Not the whole hat. Just pick one. Yep. Aurora. Don't eat the hat. Hey. Take a piece of paper. Look at it. What's in there? I know. It's so exciting. Pick a piece of paper. You can do it. That's the hat. Stop. Aurora, grab a piece of paper. Look, in here. Pick it up. Here. Fine, whatever. You can eat the hat. And the winner is Candace Gerber. Hooray! We're not very cooperative today. Thanks. Say bye-bye. Bye.